Hi, this is Marty with SumnerOne. Today we're going to talk about a question we often are asked. Customers will call and ask us about a message they're getting that says the printer is offline and they can't print. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Click on the Windows Start button in the lower left corner and type in Control Panel. Select it. Click View Devices and Printers. Printers and Scanners. I'm going to select the printer. Up here you may see, instead of idle, printer offline. Click Printer Properties. Go to the Ports tab. Uncheck Enable Bidirectional Support. Click Configure Port. Make sure it's set to RAW. And uncheck SNMP Status Enabled. This will fix your printer offline message. Apply that. Click OK. That's it. Thank you.